We guide you through how to share your screen on Discord Mobile so others can see what's on your phone in real time. First thing you need to do is open the Discord app and join a voice channel or start a voice call with a friend. And once you are connected, tap the screen share icon at the bottom of the screen. On iPhone, tap Start Broadcast, and on Android, confirm Start Now when prompted. Your screen will immediately begin sharing, and anything you do on your phone will be visible to others in the call. You can switch between apps while sharing, and when you are done, return to Discord and tap Stop Sharing to end the session. This feature works on both iOS and Android and is perfect for tutorials, walkthroughs, or showing something live without needing a computer.